So, are you interested in studying abroad for masters, especially for nurses? Because I have seen very less amount of information regarding nursing scholarships. And shortly, I will share my screen and I'll show you how to apply on HAT, what is the syllabus of HAT, and what are the things you need to keep in mind when going for HAT. You can appear in HAT 4, get a good marks, and apply for scholarship, get shortlisted, get a good interview, and get selected for nurse practitioner, and you will get monthly stipend. You will get 100% off on your fees, and you will get accommodations, and you will get working weeks, working hours on study visa. You can work and earn at the same time while you are studying. So it is a total bonus plus opportunity. And especially when in Pakistan, there's no nurse practitioner course. There's no advanced practice nurse course right now. In Pakistan, a nurse is not skilled enough to prescribe a medicine. But in Europe side, in America and Australia, they skill and equip a nurse with all the skills and all the education she requires, so she can prescribe a drug, and she can be a community health nurse, she can be a nurse practitioner, and she can, solve many things. Yes, of course, they cannot go into very complicated surgeries and not do that independently, but eventually they take a lot of burden on themselves and do a lot of serious stuff in the hospital. Do let me know if you have any questions. Do share it in comments. I would love to answer them. And if there are any suggestions regarding the video and any thoughts, do share with me. I would love to hear them out. Thank you very much. So the last day to apply on HAT 4 is around 8th of May. So you better hurry up and apply it now so that you don't miss out the seat. So once you will apply on HAT, then only you can appear and sit for the exam. So let's move to the screen and I'll walk you through how to apply on HAT. For example, this is HEC portal, etc.hec.gov.pk. So then you will see this HAT aptitude test. So you'll have to just click on that. It says the last date, which is 8th. And then you'll have to fill this form, which is going next and just submitting the basic information. You will just select your master's because you have already a bachelor's. Then you will select medicine, medical sciences, this biology and medical sciences. This will come HAT 4. Then you will select your city, mine is Lahore. Then you will add your bachelor's data. Then you will go submit. Definitely I have not added the data, that's why it's giving error. So basically it's very simple. You will share all your details and your application will be submitted for HAT. Then comes the pattern. The pattern of HAT is also very simple. It constitutes of basically 100 marks. So 40 marks is for verbal reasoning. You can see here 40% is for verbal reasoning, 30% is for analytical reasoning. Analytical reasoning consists of questions like puzzles and related to IQ and stuff. And the quantitative reasoning questions are related to maths, algebra, and a kind of math, I could say, and numbers. And the verbal reasoning is related to your vocab, your subject verb agreement, your grip on articles and pronouns and all the stuff. So yeah, so this is HAT 4. This was the criteria. I would also like to share a sample of HAT 4 with you. So this is a sample. You can see the strange incident was also covered. Dash national TV ad by on to. If you have good knowledge on pronouns and prepositions, you can definitely solve this paper. So there are some big ones also. There are some comprehensions, and I will definitely have planned to make a detailed video on each of these. But for now, that's it. So the price for appearing in HAT 4 is 20 lakh rupees. No, it's not. It's just 2,000 rupees Pakistani. That's it. The amount you have to pay to appear in HAT 4 is just 2,000 rupees. So why not invest that 2,000 rupees at right time and avail this opportunity to get the scholarship and get a good marks and go to Europe countries and continue your studies and become a nurse practitioner and do whatever you want to do. So you might be thinking, why HAT and why HAT 4? So basically there are 4 types of HAT, and the 4th one is for medical and nursing students. So you better apply for that. So if you're a nursing student, we should consider applying for HAT 4. So, okay, now you know that you need to apply in Hartford. Then the actual question is why actually you are appearing for HAT. So, if you want to apply for scholarship and you want to study abroad on scholarship, for example, on Hungary or on Europe side or on UK or US, so you need to have these tests. So you might ask that what is the desired score for getting the scholarship? So the total marks of HAT is 100. So out of 100, you can get a scholarship around 75, but to maximize your opportunity and to maximize your chance, you must get around 80 or 80 plus marks. If you're securing 85 or 80 above 80 marks, your tuition is like 100% secure, because there are two portals. Number one is the AGC portal, and the second one is the scholarship portal. So if you get some good marks, then only you will be shortlisted and your profile will be sent to the scholarship portal. And then the scholarship portal will shortlist you, and then they will get an interview, and then only you will get selected for the scholarship. So the first step is to give a HAT for it, get a good marks, and prepare well for it. And you can, if you have a good English and your IQ is a little bit good, you can easily get prepared for HAT for in 3 weeks. Coming to the last part of the video, and my most favorite part, is nursing and HAT for. So a lot of you know that there's not many material on the internet regarding nursing. So I have researched myself a lot for a long period of time regarding scholarships and exams and tests and how to achieve scholarship. So this is something I'm telling you by experience. So you can get. So yeah, this was it for today. Have a great time.